Good afternoon, partners. My name is Juan Lozano, and today I want to start talking about the mind map I have created for the course Colombian Education and explain to you my ideas and how I am expressing my thoughts through this mind map. So I want to start with the change that we have had these years since we have different cultures, different kind of thoughts, different beliefs. So because when we start having a relationship with others, this relationship are like an exchange. So I'm giving you my knowledge and you're giving me your knowledge. So we are contributing since we have things and we have the opportunity and first is because we want to share our knowledge in order to share and to spread what we think and what we know. One of these things is learning that we have different cultures and we have to be tolerant with others. As you can see, as you know, in Colombia we have different thoughts and different sides about politicians and religions and different things that tear us apart. And I think we have to be in a way, we have to be in the mood to talk, to respect others. So this can have, this kind of environment. When we know we are in a big society, we have different, our difference make us who we are. But it's, I think it's about appreciating the things that make us a society. And also, uh, when we become professionals, we're becoming better every day. It means every time we are increasing our knowledge, we are getting a new title in our professional path because we are learning every day. Maybe we learn things from priest, and the priest doesn't know things that we know as a professional in different field that we are. So I think we are making a huge difference, but we have to start giving the things as a constructive way because sometimes in society we are used to share things, but as a critic, and sometimes we don't realize, we don't think beforehand what are we going to say. And then I want to keep talking about taking into account the best things we have learned in order to improve our education. And the education is one of the most important things in our country, especially since we have the students and teachers strike. I want to remark that as a student, I want to tell all the people that we deserve good educations and we deserve good environments and a good salary for our teachers in every single place in Colombia. So because our education is the thing where we can give the best of us, improving our knowledge and quality level. Because in every single environment we are running, we are teaching or learning, or sharing lots of kinds of knowledge. The purpose is to, I think that our purpose is to help others to improve their quality level. And also, I think that taking the best option in order to have a better life, if we study and we go after our dreams, we could get whatever we want. But first, I think you have to know what you want, and then you have to go for it. No matter where you are, no matter the condition that you are living right now, I think if you try hard, if you give the best you can, the best you are, you can have the opportunity to become what you want or to get whatever you want. We cannot forget our world is changing and this is a globalization process and we are part of this. And then I want to start talking after that the process of improvement. because it's like a circle, it's like a process, a circle process when we are continuously improving, operating, improving, and analyzing. So I think one of the most important things that we have to do is to analyze how we are doing these things, how we learn, how we spreading and having this exchange of cultures, of thoughts, of knowledge between different kind of people. So we have to activate our own process and for others. So this means if I start this process, maybe I could start that same process for others, as like creating a chain of improvement, analyzing and operating together in order to get better results, better outcomes, using the best government support that we are receiving right now. This is maybe not probably the best support that we are having right now, because I think the government is making a lot of mistakes since we have decided and choosing and we were electing what was going to be our president of our country. I think that if you say things, you have to keep your word and to not lie to the people that has chosen you. So I think we also have to innovate a different educational program, improving upon this process, and if it's possible, learn from those things. So every single time we are learning different things, we have the opportunity to improve, to change the process, and so we can make it easier and try to change different things, because maybe it's like the way that other people were used to teach, were used to learn some kind of things. We are young and we have the opportunity to change, to innovate this process and to make it easier for our generation. And the last thing I want to talk is the profit and the loss as a pros and cons that when we are learning a language or just things from another person or just a teacher. Taking into account what we are, the cons and the pros about everything, and also what we could lose by doing something. It's like if I am committed with my process, with my educational process, I have to know that I have to be responsible so I cannot lose my time, my money, and also if you take in account that we are here because our parents decided to give us the opportunity to have a profession, to improve upon, to be better, maybe that they couldn't have in their past. Improving our language skills, becoming better English speakers, and especially for us because we are going to be English teachers and we have to prove people that we can make different things. And finally, is knowing that more than 80% of people talk English, so that means we can talk with most of the people, which is a good percent of the population in the whole world. So we are aware that all the people around the world are talking in English, but we cannot forget what was our mother language, which is Spanish. So we have to use it in a right way, in a correctly way, every time we speak in Spanish. Or it doesn't matter the language we speak, we have to respect and use correctly the grammar in every single language. So I think that was my whole explanation about educational, the Colombian education for this course. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.